Alright, buckle up, exam takers. Today, we're going to tackle the ultimate challenge: solving an exam paper in just 30 minutes. This isn't just about speed, it's about strategy, focus, and knowing how to make every second count. First things first, let's talk about the mindset. You need to be calm, confident, and ready to roll. Panic is your enemy. Take a deep breath, read the entire paper quickly to get a sense of what's ahead, and then strategize. Which questions are worth the most points? Which ones do you know you can nail quickly? Prioritize these first. This initial scan is crucial, it helps you allocate your time wisely. Now, let's break down a typical 30-minute plan. Minutes 1 to 3, read the exam paper thoroughly. Circle keywords, underline instructions, and identify the point values of each question. This helps you understand the scope of the exam and plan your attack. Minutes 4 to 10, tackle the easy questions. These are the ones you know you can answer confidently. This builds momentum and gives you a confidence boost. Knocking out easy questions early also ensures you secure the points you know you can get. Minutes 11 to 20, address the medium difficulty questions. Spend a bit more time on these, but don't get bogged down. If you're stuck, make a quick note to return later and move on. Remember, time is ticking. Minutes 21 to 27, return to the more difficult questions. Use the remaining time to solve these questions. If you are stuck, give the question a shot. Even if you don't fully solve it, write down your thoughts and try to get partial credit. Minutes 28 to 30, review your answers. Check for any silly mistakes, ensure you've answered all parts of each question, and look for any areas where you can add more detail. Make sure your handwriting is legible and that you've followed all instructions. Now, let's talk about some exam solving techniques. Time management is key. Use a watch or a timer to keep track of your progress. Don't spend too much time on any one question, especially if you're not making progress. Skip it and come back later. Prioritize questions based on their point value. Focus on answering the questions that give you the most points first. This maximizes your score in case you run out of time. Write clearly and concisely. Make your answers easy to read and understand. Show your work, even if you don't get the final answer correct. Partial credit is better than no credit. Use keywords and phrases. This helps the marker understand what you're trying to say. If you're unsure about an answer, write something down. You might still get partial credit. Practice, practice, practice. The more practice you do, the better you'll become at solving exam papers under pressure. Take practice exams under time conditions. This helps you get used to the time constraints and develop your own strategies. Review your mistakes. Identify the areas where you need to improve, and focus your study efforts accordingly.